Okay, now concentrate on the class. First of all, how can we find the value? How can we find the value of x? Px equal to x. First of all, it's a polynomial. It's a polynomial of degree 2. Polynomial of degree 2. So, if you are asked that find the value of px at x equal to 2. At x equal to 2. So, you will do that just in place of x put 2. In place of x put 2. So, in the left hand side I have also put 2, and that is 2 square plus 2 into 2 plus 1. P of 2 that equal to 4 plus 2 2s are 4 plus 1. So, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 1 9. Okay. So, 9 is the answer. Got it everyone? Yes, quadratic polynomial. So, at p equal to 2 its answer is 9. Now, find it out quickly. What will be the value of p of minus 1? Quickly answer it. P of minus 1. Yes, p of minus 1. Who got it? Sneha. P of minus 1 means minus 1 square plus 2 into minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 square, that is 1. Students, minus 1 even number that will be plus 1. Minus 1 odd number that will be minus 1. It is the rule. Minus 1 whole to the power odd number that equal to minus 1, and minus 1 even number that is plus 1. For an example, minus 1 whole to the power 21. What will be it? Plus 1 or minus 1? Minus 1 whole to the power 21. Plus 1 or minus 1? Quickly answer it everyone. Minus 1, only one students have answered. Anyone else? Anyone else? Yes, minus 1, because sir, it is odd number. 21 is the odd number, that's why it will give you minus 1. So, minus 1 it is even number, so plus 1, 2 into plus into minus, that is minus 2 plus 1. So, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 minus 2, 0. At x equal to x equal to minus 1, that value of px is equal to 0. In this way we will solve the question. Okay, got it everyone? How to find the value of polynomial? Next example, I hope all of you can answer. Px equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Px equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. What will be the value of px? What will be the value of px at x equal to minus 1? Find it quickly. Jasmine. Okay, only 2 students have answered out of 10 students. Quickly find it out. Four. Okay, let me check. Anyone else? Jasmine, your answer? Rosni, okay, Jasmine and Rosni are typing quickly. Jasmine and Rosni, quickly. Sir, your voice is cracking. Okay, my voice is cracking. Let me check. Okay, before it, you try to answer. Jasmine and Rosni. Okay, look at the board. That px equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. At x equal to minus 1, what will be the value of px? At x equal to minus 1, what will be the value of px? Quickly answer it. Yes, they have answer Adri 0. Yes. Look at the board, Jasmine. If you didn't get it, look at the board. So p equal to minus 1 at place of x at place of x equal to minus 1, so right hand side also I put x equal to minus 1. So minus 1 cube plus 3 into minus 1 square plus 3 into minus 1 plus 1. So p of minus 1, p of minus 1, minus 1 cube, minus 1 cube, minus 1 cube, that is minus 1. I have told you that minus 1 whole to the power odd number, you give the minus 1, plus 3 minus 1 square 1, so 3 into 1 minus 3 plus 1, so minus 1 plus 3 minus 3 plus 1, 3 remove, minus 1, so 0, not 4, 0, that is not 4. Okay, got it? Sneha, you have answered that its answer is 4, but it is not true. That 0 is the correct answer. Clear it is? Minus 1 square plus 1, not will the both are not minus 3. One is plus 3 and another is minus 3. Okay. Next. Okay, now enter into the exercise. Now enter into the exercise that find the polynomial. Find the polynomial px equal to, find the polynomial px equal to, and student, one important announcement, your science class will be taken by that ma'am, Moumita ma'am, from 1:15 to 2:15, 1:55 to 2:15, 1:55 to 2:15. Moumita ma'am, take your science class. Okay, Moumita ma'am, take your science class from 1:55 to 2:15. Okay, just join your class at 2:15. Sorry, 1:55. Okay, now px equal to 5x. Px equal to 5x minus 4x square. Px equal to 5x minus 4x square plus 3. Px equal to 5x minus 4x square plus 3. What will be the answer? What will be the answer at or what will be the value of px at x equal to 0? Find it out quickly. At x equal to 0. Yes, this video will be uploaded. At x equal to 0, what will be the value? Sneha answer 3. Jasmine, Adri answer 3. Anyone else? Anyone else? Jasmine, try to answer it, beta. Okay, I hope there is some problem that board is easy, that type of technical issue. Okay, today I will just complete question up to question number 1. Next day I will, if I got class, if you got class 9, then I will continue on from class question number 2. From PA0, so 5 into 0 minus 4 into 0 square plus 3. So 5 into 0, 0 minus 0 plus 3. So answer is 3. Answer is 3. Okay. Answer is 3. Next question. At x equal to minus 1. At x equal to minus 1. What will be the answer? At x equal to minus 1, Sneha and Adri answers minus 6. Okay. Let us check that minus 6 has been okay. So p of minus 1, that is 5 into minus 1 minus 4 into minus 1 square plus 3. So 5 into minus 1 minus 5 minus 4 into minus a square, that is minus 1 square means 1, minus 4 plus 3, minus 5 minus 4, that is minus 9 plus 3, that is minus 6. Minus 6 is the answer. Okay. Jasmine, Sneha and Adri, very good. Okay, and the last part, that is x equal to 2. X equal to 2. P of 2, that is 5 into 2 minus 4 into plus 3. So 5 into 2, 10, minus 4 into 2 square, minus 4, that is 2 square means 4. 4 into 4, 16 plus 3. So what will be the answer? Maximum you have answer minus 3. Yes, 10 plus 3, that is 13, and minus 16, so minus 13 is the answer. Minus 13 is the answer. So students, today I have solved only these three, and last sum for from my side, solve it quickly. I want to see who can solve. X square minus x by 2 plus x by 3 by x by 6. Okay, find the value of at x equal to 1. Find the value of this at x equal to 1. Why it is not polynomial? Power 2, 1, 1. Why it is not a polynomial, Sneha? Power is non-negative and non-negative and not integer. Then it cannot be a negative polynomial. Px equal to x square minus 6 minus x by 2 plus x by 3. Then find at x equal to 1. At x equal to 1, find the value. X by 2. X by 2 means power of x is 1. So 1 is non-negative and not integer. Sorry, non-negative and integer, not fraction it means. So it can be a polynomial. Px equal to x square minus 6 minus x by 2 plus x by 3. Px equal to x square minus 6 minus x by 2 plus x by 3. So it's very easy, students. P of 1 that is 1 by 6 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. So 1 by 6, LCM 6, that will be 6 minus 3 plus 2. 8 minus 3, 5 by 6 is the answer. Okay. Because of technical issue to the students, I end this class here. Okay. Thank you. Next day I will, if I got class, I will take the classes.